This is Cathedral of Palermo. Construction began in 1185 during the Norman rule on the orders of Archbishop Walter of the Mill, at the time when Sicily was one of the most powerful crossroads in the Mediterranean. What makes this cathedral unique is not only one style, but many. Over the centuries, Norman, Gothic, Baroque, Neoclassical, and Arabic influences were layered on top of one another, making this building a living timeline of Sicily's rulers. Even today, Palermo Cathedral remains an active place of worship. Weddings are still held here, a reminder that this isn't just a monument, but a functioning religious center that has served the city for over 800 years. The open plaza in front of the cathedral was designed to frame the building's massive scale. From here, the layered architecture style becomes very clear. Pointed Gothic arches besides Arab-inspired geometric patterns, and later, Renaissance additions. Above the entrance are statues representing saints and rulers connected to Sicily's past. One of the most significant figures referenced here is Ferdinand III of Sicily, a ruler whose reign symbolized a continued blend of political power and religious authority. The shields and armored figures carved into the stone reinforce that this cathedral also served as a symbol of royal legitimacy, not just faith. Inside, the atmosphere shifts. The cathedral's interior was heavily remodeled in the 18th century, introducing a neoclassical layout, clean lines, symmetry, and monumental scale. Along the sides are chapels dedicated to saints, bishops, and other important religious figures. These spaces were often sponsored by wealthy families or religious orders, each leaving behind artwork and sculpture as a sign of devotion and influence. Palermo Cathedral is also a royal burial site. Here lie the tombs of Roger II, the first king of Sicily, Henry VI, a Holy Roman Emperor, and Frederick II, one of the most powerful medieval rulers in Europe. Candles, marble, and gilded details reflect centuries of continued worship. As you walk around, you'll come across many sarcophagi reserved only for emperors, religious leaders, and other powerful figures in Sicily. There are many religious paintings and carvings, all focused on attention to detail. This area contains relics and shrines dedicated to revered figures, and nearby silver-covered shrines and symbolic imagery reflect Palermo's deep devotion and the city's layered spiritual identity. Statues like Saint Sebastian, traditionally depicted pierced with arrows, represent endurance, suffering, and faith under persecution, themes deeply woven into Catholic iconography. These figures were meant to educate worshippers visually, especially during periods where most people could not read. Heading to the rooftop, The narrow stone staircase leads upwards is medieval in character, intentionally tight, spiraling, and defensive. The rooftop offers one of the most unique perspectives in Palermo. From here, you can see the cathedral's domes and towers up close, the historic city center, and mountains that once protected Palermo from invasion. The rooftop path reveals how massive and fortified the structure truly is. Soon, the bells begin to ring above. You're reminded that these towers once served as communication tools, marking time, celebration, warning, and religious observation across the city. Their sound carried authority long before clocks or announcements existed. Heading back to the staircase, we take a final look at the architectural complexity. Every angle revealed different construction phases layered across centuries. Few buildings in Europe show history this transparent. There are also bronze doors decorated with detailed biblical scenes, worn smooth in places where generations of hands have touched them while entering. Leaving Palermo Cathedral, you step back into the city shaped by conquest, faith, resistance, and survival. This concludes our trip to Cattedrale di Palermo, and I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. We will see you on the next one.